Dreaming of becoming doctors? Study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Hadu shi spa prapun ringwet ki khna kin thei bat chin rang na kileng ki district jong ka jilla kilawan bani Shim Bynta ha ka Meghalaya State Archery Championship 2026 kabla sedang hak hatwei trek unai lar aja arpun rio hamaran siat Khnam jong ka sai STC Nehu Shillong kani ka limpong ka balai sngi lepin long da ka Archery Association of Meghalaya da ka jinkar shan pisa na ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ka Sarkar Jilla Meghalaya bakan kut ha ka khatlai trek unai lar aja arpun rio Hakani ki jinge kwap kinang Shim Bynta ki bana do ki khenna ki badang red hado ki bala he lasan ki lawan ban pen I la ki sap ha ka siat Khnam daga be khon ban yo ki takma ksial rupa badrenong la play pat ba ikini ki limpung na ka kong Isawanda Lalu Secretary ki tnat Sports and Youth Affairs kum ka kong san ha ka jinge don lang ka kong Mat Siodor war Nongbri advisor ka AAM uba finally El Pariat General Secretary ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba PB war Nongbri President ka AAM uba Robinson Rintathiang Secretary ka AAM uba Kyrwoh Pasa Assistant Director Sports and Youth Affairs bat kiwe ki nongkit kam Hakani ka sngi lapan long ka jinge khon qualification Indian round haka kerdan sub junior kin thei bat shinrang but board da ka individual elimination round haka kerdan sub junior Indian round haka ba ki Nongsiat Khnam ki le khon bat pen paw ka sub ba ka jingla jungki kani ka limpong ka long ru ka wein ki lat ban pen shlur bat kin tiu ka kam siat Khnam ha ka jilla khanang ba ki samla na Meghalaya kin la ban mi shakmat ha ki limpong ile kai ki behe ha ka ri bat shabar khari.
The state is fortunate to have a person such as you behind the sport, and I'm sure that under your guidance and continuous support that you give the association, it will go on to achieve much more in the years to come. President Paya Warnongbri, who has warmly invited me, Vice President Pasa, and all the other members of the association, I congratulate you for this event and for the numerous achievements which we know the State Archery Association of Meghalaya has achieved in the recent past, and we are very hopeful that there will be many more to come. I also convey my greetings to General Secretary of the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, Finally Pariat, my colleague in the Sports Department, Assistant Director Kyrwoh Pasa, all the technical officials, the local organizing committees, everyone who is part of the association, who has rendered assistance and support to make this event what it is, friends from the press and media, and most importantly, my dear young athletes from around the state, all 12 districts. It is so wonderful to see you here, and I'm sure all of you are really geared up to compete, to do your best to attain that much fight for podium finish and to go home with laurels. Today is a great day to be out and to see, a glimpse of what the state sports associations are doing, particularly in view of the fact that, as you all know, we are thick in the preparation for the upcoming national games. As Madam Nongbri has stated, the government is attempting to leave no stone unturned to render all possible support to the state associations, be it in procuring the best of human resources and coaches, equipment, developing infrastructure, and whatever else is needed to ensure that the ecosystem in which they train for the national games is one that is conducive and one that will produce medals for the state next year. Through the financial support which has been rendered through the state, almost 39 crores has been released to all the different associations. A total of 54 has been sanctioned. I'm so happy to state that the Archery Association of Meghalaya is one of a handful which has actually, showed deliverables, which has actually achieved a lot in this short period of time, and I congratulate all of you for the wonderful work that you have done. We are aware that ever since the team preparation exercise started, in which a total of 125 athletes have started undergoing the team preparation exercise under the association. You have won laurels for the state in the Kyrwoh India Tribal Games recently. I think both the men's compound team event as well as the women's compound team event was bagged by Meghalaya. There were several other, I think, events in which we secured a podium finish, and that shows us that all this effort that you are making, that the association is making, is translating itself into medals, into the outcomes that we want, which is to see our young boys and girls secure a podium finish and get, attain that prestigious medal which we are all vying for. And it was so wonderful to hear from Madam Matsudor about the rich rootedness which archery has always had in the state of Meghalaya, in these hills. You are the descendants and the beneficiaries of that wonderful tradition, and I think we should be proud and fortunate to carry on this tradition, even though it started off as something very traditional, something which was linked to perhaps to survival, to leisure. Now it is a competitive sport, a modern sport which has evolved in so many ways. We are thankful to everyone who has paved the way to this day. Madam mentioned, the veterans of the sport, the pioneers of the sport in the state, Shri Woodward, Solia, who went on to become the architect of the Indian round, I believe. So I think that it is wonderful that we have this rich history to look back to, and also we carry it with pride, and we hope that upon your slender shoulders this this challenge now rests, of carrying the legacy of archery forward in the state and to showcase the potential of Meghalaya, not only within our state, in our region, but in the country and internationally as well.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya